Life has to be more than about solving problems. If all that life is about is solving problems, why bother getting up in the morning? There have to be things that inspire you to, that make you proud to be a member of humanity.
Tesla Motors is an American automobile company that designs and manufactures cutting-edge electric vehicles. Considering Tesla's growing consumer interest and eco-friendly strategy, it's safe to say that this company is beginning to make itself a dominant force in the industry. Headquartered in Palo Alto, California, Tesla employs around 10,000 people and manages to produce nearly 35,000 vehicles per year. This area of California is known as Silicon Valley and is more commonly considered a city filled with high-tech companies. Unlike many other automakers, however, Tesla manages to fit in perfectly with the region. Named after the well-known electrical engineer Nikola Tesla, this new car company is one of the latest additions to the industry. Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning established Tesla Motors back in 2003. When funding was needed, Elon Musk stepped in. He has contributed over $70 million of his personal money to the company. After the automotive industry's financial crisis in 2008, Musk became CEO and lead product architect of Tesla. He currently remains in this position and has a heavy influence on the design and direction of the company. All along, the market strategy of Tesla has been to first bring high-end vehicles to the wealthy, and then slowly move into the general public. This allowed the company to perfect their technologies and gain capital before presenting mass production vehicles. This is a common strategy for technology companies producing products like cell phones and laptops, but a very unique concept to apply to the automotive industry. Musk has been quoted stating, "New technology in any field takes a few versions to optimize before reaching the mass market, and in this case, it is competing with 150 years and trillions of dollars spent on gasoline cars." Interestingly enough, Tesla has been using its own showrooms to allow consumers to view and test the car in person. Then a person must go online and order a vehicle for delivery. This is a very different strategy than most automakers, and bypasses the need for dealerships. Tesla is the only manufacturer that directly sells to its customers. The Tesla Roadster was the company's first step into the automotive market. Designed to be an all-electric sports car, this vehicle boasts great performance paired with a fair range. The first 100 sold out in less than 3 weeks. Production began in 2008, and since then, 2 revisions have been introduced to make mild improvements. The Roadster hides its battery pack behind the seats of the vehicle, which is capable of pushing the car from 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. The top speed of 125 miles per hour is enough to fulfill the desires of most sports car enthusiasts. The real bonus here is that these vehicles maintain an average range of around 245 miles. Compared to most electric vehicles on the market, this is outstanding. The newer Model S began delivery in 2012 in the United States. International sales started the following year with 2 varying battery pack options. The smaller 60 kilowatt battery pack is capable of a 208 mile range, while the larger 85 kilowatt hour battery possesses the ability to reach ranges of 265 miles. The Model S uses a skateboard design by integrating the battery packs into the floor of the vehicle. Because of this, no cargo space is compromised and the center of gravity remains very low to the ground. Although this makes the batteries more susceptible to damage, a 1/4-inch plate of aluminum is used to shield the packs from any debris. In 2014, Tesla announced a new Model S with electric all-wheel drive. Using 2 motors for the front and rear sets of wheels reduces the need for drive shafts, transfer cases, and other components seen in typical all-wheel drive situations. This also delivers a boost in efficiency, which provides them with an extra 30 miles of range. The Model S manages to be the safest car on the road. A 5-star rating in all categories from the National Highway Safety Administration crash test backs up this claim. Much of this can be attributed to the steel rails that run throughout the front and sides of the vehicle to add extra support. In the event of an accident, the battery is automatically disconnected, and up to 8 airbags can protect vehicle occupants. This is a very important quality to consumers that are reluctant about the dangers associated with high-voltage vehicles. Another great feature of Tesla vehicles is the overall build quality. These vehicles are manufactured with incredible precision. Robots complete nearly all assembly, which helps ensure perfection. Teslas are powered by AC motors capable of producing nearly 700 horsepower with a 375 volt input. These motors are around the size of a watermelon and can reach speeds of up to 14,000 RPM. Ceramic bearings ensure long life and reduced friction, while aluminum alloys help maintain the necessary strength to weight ratio. The entire motor weighs only 115 pounds. Most people who drive these vehicles state that they are unlike anything they have ever driven before. Advanced dashboards, styling, and other features help set Tesla apart from the crowd. The Model S contains a massive 17-inch touchscreen that provides access to music, GPS, charging status, HVAC, and most other controls for the vehicle. Another interesting feature to consider is the continually growing network of supercharger stations. In addition to charging these vehicles from a 120 volt or 240 volt wall outlet, these high-powered stations allow recharging to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. This is achieved by providing up to 120 kilowatts of power to the battery. There are currently 419 supercharger stations worldwide, with nearly 200 in North America alone. They are placed along major highways and commonly driven routes. This allows Tesla drivers to travel from Los Angeles to New York. The real kicker is that there is no cost to the driver. The future of Tesla will see the launch of the Model X and Model 3. These newer models are being aimed at the average consumer, which could lead to some interesting changes in the future of the company. Considered the third and final phase of Tesla's marketing strategy, these vehicles are likely to come in at around $30,000. The Model X was revealed in 2012, with high-volume production planned for late 2015. As Tesla describes it, Model X is designed from the ground up to combine the space and functionality of a sports utility vehicle with seating for 7 adults and the uncompromised performance of a Tesla. The Model 3 is expected to be the low-cost vehicle that truly puts Tesla on the map. It will utilize a lot of technology from the Model S, but will remain a smaller and unique design. It is slated to be around 20% smaller than the current Model S and compete with the likes of the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4. This is most likely the vehicle many Tesla enthusiasts are looking forward to. Although Tesla remains one of the newer automakers on the block, the company has already begun to prove itself in its infancy. As gasoline vehicles begin to fade from the market, it is apparent that Tesla will continue to lead the way into the automotive industry's electric future.